If you've been seeing Prime drops pop up online and are curious whether it's actually worth your money or just another supplement with flashy promises, then this review is exactly what you need before making a decision. Prime Drops is marketed as a natural solution for erectile dysfunction, claiming to use a blend of 7 ingredients designed to improve blood flow, enhance libido, reduce anxiety, and even support better sleep. On the surface, it sounds like a convenient all-in-one fix for several issues men face, but when you dig deeper, things start to look less convincing. The brand proudly states that the formula is backed by GMP certification, quality assurance, and third-party testing, but nowhere on their official page or packaging do they provide actual certificates or lab reports to prove any of those claims. That's usually a red flag because if a product has gone through rigorous testing, companies are quick to show the proof. Another concerning factor is the sales approach. The website often uses high-pressure tactics like countdown timers, pop-ups about limited supply, and special discounts that expire quickly, which are common tricks used by less trustworthy brands to push buyers into impulse purchases. Beyond that, the claims themselves seem exaggerated. Prime Drops doesn't just say it can help with ED. It also promises to boost testosterone, burn fat, reduce sugar cravings, improve mood, and even fix sleep problems, which is an almost impossible checklist for a single supplement to deliver on. Digging further, the customer service information also raises eyebrows, since the contact number listed looks generic and even appears to be pulled from random online sources, rather than belonging to a dedicated support team. And when searching for real-world user feedback, there's an obvious lack of independent reviews on trusted platforms like Trustpilot, Reddit, or even YouTube, which makes it hard to verify whether customers are genuinely experiencing results or not. All of these factors combined create a lot of doubt around the credibility of Prime Drops. While it's presented as a breakthrough solution with big promises, the missing transparency, questionable marketing tactics, and absence of real, verifiable customer experiences make it difficult to confidently say that this supplement is truly legit or that it's safe to spend your money on. It's one of those products where the packaging and claims look impressive, but the deeper you look, the more unanswered questions you're left with.